Hey guys, today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. This is the first time I'm getting a subscription box and I'm so excited because this particular box only ships in the US. I don't know if they do Canada, but I know they ship only in the US and I'm not in the US, and I've been thinking of a way to get this box and I finally figured it out. So I use SwiftPack and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sparkle Hustle Grow box. It's a subscription box for female entrepreneurs and it have hashtag best business experts ever. I totally agree. I love receiving boxes and somehow I think it's a good thing that I'm not in the US, because I think I'll just spend all of my money buying things that will just come in the mail. All right, I hope you guys are excited. I have forgotten what this month's box was about. I think passive income. It was about passive income. Grow your passive income or grow your income, one of the two. I'll put it in the description, but that's what this box is about. So I just went to the post office, got it today, so we're going to see it together. Let's get started. All right, so how do they I have all right, so here's the box. It says yay, it's here. I'm so excited. So this is pretty. All right, so we're going to read what's on it. It says, Sparkle Hustle Grow June 2019 box. Oh, they wrote it here. Want to make money while you sleep? Then let's turn your zone of genius into a new stream of revenue through digital products. This can fit any business model. So what's inside the box is written here. I'm going to read it. Here's what it looks like. All right, so it says, online training, create your digital product by Mariah Cause. I know her, she's the femtrepreneur lady. She's been in business for like ever since before even online business existed. And then Your First 100, which is a book by Miracle Stand. I have been following her. She's really good with anything like subscribers, email marketing, and all of that. The next one is a pen pouch by Bukaru. There is a porous tip pen set by U Brands. Positive negative pencil set by U Brands. I'm excited to see whatever that is. A spiral notepad by Dana Lee. I love notepads and they're always so pretty. And then thank you cards by C. Jane Work. Oh, C. Jane. I thought that was a Chinese name. All right, it's C. Jane Work. And then the last one just says join our private group for subscribers. All right, let's get it. Jane, please. All right, let's go with it. So the first thing here is the Work Hard, Play Hard Women's Business Retreat. So this is a retreat that Sparkle Hustle Grow is holding this year. I have already gone to the Kajabi retreat this year. I don't think I can add in any more travel because I'm international, but I'm very sure this will be a lot of fun. So they're talking about it here. For more details, sparklehustlegrow.com/retreat. if you want to see more. And then next card says make an income while making an impact. Like, yeah, that's what it's about. All right, so this is a take action checklist for June, July. I have never had this box before, so I'm going through everything one by one. So this is the checklist for things we're supposed to do this month. So I'm going to read it out to you as well. Number one, he said, listen to this podcast by Mariah Cause. And then we should write a thank you card to someone who has made a big difference in our business. Then join the book study for Your First 100 book. And the next one is to watch the training. So apparently there's a training from Mariah as part of the box, an online training. And then the last one is brainstorm what your low-hanging fruit is. I feel like I'm the last person to receive my box because in the Facebook group, everybody else has received their box and I'm just getting mine. This was shipped out on the 18th of this month. Today is the 27th, filming this. Confetti, yay! Trees died for this. All right, more cards. So this is the card for the trading. I'm not going to show you the back because that's where the code I'm supposed to use to get access is, and I don't want you guys to get free access, but I'm going to flash it. Ha ha. So this is the card for the training. It's called Create Your Digital Product. This is Mariah. Pink hair. Things I want to do but I will never actually do. All right, what's this? Oh, this is a coupon code for U Brands. So if you want to get something from their shop, if you like it, you can get something from their shop with the coupon code here. Not showing you guys. And then this, okay. This is the thank you card. So I'm guessing this is the card that we're supposed to use to write and say thank you to somebody who has immensely helped our business, or my business in this case. And I think it's really pretty. Let me open that and see. Okay, they're exactly the same. So it's a blank card, I'm guessing. Yes, it is. It's a blank card. And there's a thank you written on it. And then you're supposed to write and put in this pretty envelope and then send it to someone. I have no idea how I'll be sending cards, but we'll figure that out. Thank you from Jane. This is C. Jane work. All right, pencils. Fun fact, when I was in primary school, I don't know what it's called in the US, but when I was in primary school, I always loved getting new pencils. Till now, I still write mostly in pencils. I have been converted into the black pen family, but I still love my pencils. And I always loved having different pencils from every other person in the class. It always made me feel special, like, I was superior to everyone else. Don't tell my classmates. So let's look. So these are positive, negative pencils. So I'm guessing that's why some are white, some are black. And they have nice things written on them. Oh, happy day, good vibes only, you got this. And then on the black ones, we have things like not my problem, I don't care, whatever. How about no, blah blah blah. I'm guessing that's when you want to feel sassy. You use these pencils. All right, pens. These are pens that women are supposed to use. See how pretty they are, They're so pretty. It's like, I've seen this, I feel like I've seen this as a dress or a skirt somewhere, which is really nice. Now everybody's going to know I have cute pens. And the next thing is the pen pouch for books. So I'm guessing you strap this on your book and then you can put the pen. Okay. As you can notice, or you may have noticed, I don't know how to open things. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a bookmark because it's thin. And then this, and it matches. See? It matches. All right. So, yes, so this goes in here and goes on your, maybe, I don't know, diary or something. And then here is the notepad from the Nali collection. This is so pretty. I feel like I've been missing out on all the Instagram photos of all those cute journals, but now I'm in. I can snap this and put it on my Instagram, right? So it said, what shall you conquer today, right? So thick. I like how thick this is. It's really strong. And then it said, everything is coming together. Yes. All right, so we have the note section, and then we have the to-do section. And then there are a bunch of pages, and they have perforated lines, so you can, I guess you can tear this out if you want to. I don't know if I'll be doing that. I probably will be doing that. The next one says, taking over the world, one to-do list at a time. Yeah. And then there's another one that says, her greatest power is believing in herself. Yep. You have to believe in yourself. So that's it. It's really cute and thick. So I'm guessing we can do this. So I don't know, like this. So you always have a pen, and this can go inside. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, it's too big for it. Maybe a different book. I'll find a book that will fit it, but this is it. And finally, your first 100. So this is the book by Mirakotan that was added to this box, and it's the Digital Entrepreneur's Guide to get your first 100 repeat customers and loyal raving fans buying your digital products without sleazy marketing or selling your soul. Thumbnail pic. Yay, was it nice? All right, and I think it matches my shirt because it's red. Okay, so this book, it's by Mira. This is Mira Kotan, if you don't know who that is. For those of you that don't, this is her. And yeah, she also has this books. I think I have the 1 hour content plan, which is really good. So I can't wait to dive into this. Everyone else has already started theirs, and I can finally catch up. I like having physical books as much as I like having digital books, because sometimes you just want to, hold something, write in it, bookmark. Because let's face it, once I carry my phone, I end up on Instagram or somewhere else. So this is the last thing inside the box, and the box is empty. I have to wait till next month to get another one. Oh, by the way, yes, next month's box theme is sales funnels. So I'm into tech, digital marketing, and sales funnels. I've been following Russell Brunson for like forever. Julie Stoyan. I love sales funnels. So I can't wait to see what will be inside that box, because everything about it is going to be about sales funnels and all of that good stuff. So this was for digital products. This book will help you with digital products. Your to-do list, of course, it's very important to be grateful. So thank you cards, which is really nice. They're so pretty. We have our pens and our to-do list book to keep us on task. It's already halfway through the year. That means if you haven't started doing the things you said you would do in January, this is the time to get started. And this will help me keep track, which is great. I obviously am not putting these things back right in their order. Negative pencils and positive pencils. When you're sassy, when you're happy. Sassy, happy, sassy. You get it. And that's it. That's the whole box. And it's so sad it's finished. All right, so before you go, I have a referral link that you see in the description, and you can use that to get your own box for $5 off. So check that out in the description. Don't forget, I really hope you don't miss next month's box, because I think sales funnels is going to be mind-blowing. I have no idea. Nobody knows what is inside the box until it comes. So yes, so check in the description, click like, click subscribe, follow, share it with your friends. I love my box and I hope you do too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.